So si Jimboy, initially gusto ni Coach Allen siya yung magmamando ng second unit. But here, he opens the scoring in the game. Shooting over. Jimmy Reyes creating the separation. Draws the first foul of the game. It's going to be against Estrada. And now we pass it on to our courtside reporter for the first time in the game. Let's hear it from...
Or not, San Beda Red Lions treat all of their games the same. Yan ang board as they enter the playoffs. Hani pa nga niya, coming from a knee injury and he hopes to be back for the playoffs. Yan muna, balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Chantal, as we see Jimboy Estrada filling our quarterfinals para dito sa San Beda Red Lions. They will be big factors for them in the future as John T. Miller puts it up and in. But we have a player down. This is Joe Celso holding on to his face. Seems like he got hit in the face here.
Hindi ko nakita yung pangyayari kasi bola eh.
Ito yung crossover and the drive by John T. Miller. Taking it strong to the basket. Battle for the rebound. It was Buensalida and Celso before the Miller basket. The putback, and here comes Letran. Manalili is on the move. Manalili up and in. Plus the foul for Titing. Manalili.
This is the kind of aggressiveness ang inaabangan ng lahat ng yung Letran. Nag-uumpisa sila with a strong start galing kay Jimboy, and then now you can see Titing Manalili doing coast-to-coast battle all the way and getting the basket and a foul.
He is in scoring mode here in the first quarter. Jonathan Manalili with yet another highlight.
Sa ilalim na nagkakaroon ng cross screen and then taking away yung attention ng mga guards na dumidepensa dun sa may bola to give that space dito kila Jimboy and kila Titing.
That's a beautiful setup job by Miller to Coldona. Jimboy searches. They get it to Gamad. He rattles home the free throw line jumper. Jimmy. Miller will attack. Miller fouled.
The arc ng laro nito ni Gamad, ano? May mga games yan.
Main role. So yung talagang 3-and-D guy niya.
It's the most out of what is being given to him.
Oh, here he is. Passing it to Santos. Kevin Santos takes it strong and gets the continuation.
Yung Letran team, ano? Lahat ng atake nila, it's either gumagalaw yung big man nila or nakakahanap sila ng mga silid na butas na space para dun sa big man and nabibigyan nila ng mga magandang drop passes.
It's Letran overtaking here in the first.
The number 1 in the bracket. So might as well get your rest in preparation for dun sa papasok pa na mas importanteng mga games.
They will face the winner of LPU and San Sebastian in the play-in. Habang itong Letran, again, sliding down to number 3 in Group B. And that means they will face an Arellano team.
They secured the twice-to-beat advantage during the latter part of the...
Manalili. Manalili. Lots of contact between Omega and Reyes. Green.
Oh, and simpleng ball screen lang yan, ano, na tinatawag nitong Letran. Nakakakuha sila ng fouls and nakakuha sila ng looks na gusto nilang makuha, which...
Number 3 sila. So, maybe they're trying to find...
Na ang tinalo mo is yung rivalry team.
That's true. Gonzalez. Penny is now in the ballgame. John T. Miller nails it from the corner.
Napakaganda. Opening up itong si John T. Miller.
That's going to be one of the weapons of San Beda moving forward. Here, nakitawan ni Santos, pero nilinis ni Mark Denver Omega. Backs up Omega. Inside, Gamad. Manalili. Balik kay Gamad from the corner. Got it. Beautiful play around by Letran.
Pensa. May makukuha kang maganda. And in that case, they got a wide open Gamad 3-pointer.
But John T. Miller. Quick, here he is, guarding Manalili. Manalili. Manalili! Nakalusot! May kasama pang isa.
Oo, Titing Manalili really feeling self and at the same time, pumasa ulit. Ngayon, sa kanya ulit.
Look at this. Shaking off Miller's defense on his way to the cup. It is yet another
maingay na pangalan before, but naranasan ko yung mga rivalry game na yun. And sa totoo lang,
are heavily involved. Kanina ba, simula pa lang nung laro natin, especially on offense. What a pass! Oh! Man, we have to see the pass again. Not alone.
Tira. Parehas eh.
Look at this. Jimboy with some sniping from long distance. 7 points for Jimboy. Pero itong Manalili, oh.
Tignan mo yung pasa. Tignan mo rin yung finish.
Ganun din. Pareho.
Medyo baliktad lang yung naging pectus. Oo. Eventually, ilalabas at ilalabas ka talaga nito ni Coach Allen. And kung maganda nilalaro mo and makakakuha ka ng mga ganong klase ng foul.
Of the starting unit, now will spark Letran.
Kung etong si Jimboy Estrada, pistol sa... Nasushoot ko yan eh.
Specialty, no? Para kay Deo Quahaw.
Ng players mo.
Etule. No. Kalimag. Yes! Finally.
Papasok ng play-in.
Cross court. Penny. Got it! At the horn. Penny Estacio knocks it down. And it's been...
Yun yung mga ganyang klaseng tira, paubos yung oras. Sanay na yan dyan.
Quick trigger. Rattles home for Penny Estacio to reduce. Or Letran's lead rather to just 5, 26 to 21. We'll go back for the second quarter of this game. Up and down season, so this will be a huge up for them going into the play if they do beat San Beda. From Aklan has been a
rebound na which gusto natin makita kay Jomel Puno.
Yung rookie season niya, nakakompare naman siya kay JC Intal. Bago yun. So, yun ang progression as Roque nails the elbow jumper. The other way we go. It's a 6-point advantage for Letran. We are playing it fast in the second quarter. Kevin Santos takes it to the other side. Maintains control. Jonty Miller rises and scores plus the foul. Has 12 points in the first half. But how about this move by Kevin Santos? Yeah, the quick
drop from bantay ni Miller, giving him that up.
Quahaw against Miller. Quahaw pulls the trigger and Quahaw knocks it down.
Oh, kitang-kita mo kung paano siya challenge.
Ito, Deo Quahaw right in the face of Jonty Miller.
Yeah, and not even a challenge.
That was an easy look. RC. Reyes. Jimmy! Split the D and got the free lane. The other way we go. Miller takes it. Off to the right. Gets it back. And puts it back in.
Parang naglalaro lang ng 21. Hello, medyo dun papunta eh.
Grabe, yung pressure sa mga gulang. Oh! RC finally gets one through.
And win, itong ni Titing Manalili.
Reyes! Yes! San Beda takes a
run ng plays itong Letran.
Straight away three is off. Tapeño, one-handed rebound, and he gets the whistle.
Offensive rebound.
I like the step-in three by Jimmy Reyes. #1 team in what they call the group of death.
Oh, hindi pa masyado nakakahawak itong si Cap Yuki.
Correct. Oh, stolen. And it's a walk in the park for Deo Quahaw.
Oh, and that's to stop the bleeding.
We see this pickpocket by Deo Quahaw on Jimmy Reyes. Steal and score.
Yung screen na patamain. And one of the tendencies yan ng bigs, kapag may mga nangyayaring screens, ang instruction sa bigs is to headhunt para to ensure na makakita ng open position yung teammate natin. And sometimes, pag masyado mo maaga ginamit yung screen, ang tendency niyan is madedelay. Madedelay yung big natin sa pag-set ng screen. So, hahabulin ng konti. Oo. And dun nangyayari yung mga offensive foul natin. And in this case,
especially wanted to make the long pass. Pero ito sa Manalili. Titing goes all the way!
Ayoko. And yung nagiging outcome ng games, hindi po ma-favor sa kanila.
Yeah.
If you're gonna look at the games of Letran, pag maganda nilalaro ni Titing offensively.
Here's Manalili. Manalili! Oh! Extra pass to Santos. What a play!
And that's how he involved the teammates as well.
I mean, look at this play. Manalili got the step through. You mentioned it. But made the no-look pass to Kevin Santos.
I mean, the more he involves his teammates, the more na mas umaangat yung energy nitong Letran.
That is assist number 4.
Mga atake niya, yung looks niya sa loob, pwede niya nang i-layup. Pero dahil nag-collapse na sa kanya yung depensa, dun sa last second, meron siyang decision-making palagi na to look for his...
Gonzalez at the feet of the other team. That's been his major role.
Ni coach, I mean, ginagawa niya talaga full-heartedly.
Oh, Manalili makes his move. Feeding Santos for the slam! It's the display again. Manalili, the cross, back down on Buensalida. Santos flying in for the hammer.
Oh, yan yung classic Danny Ay celebration, di ba?
Woo! Second straight.
Back-to-back play. Galing dito kay Titing Manalili and si Santos, ano?
Oh, Buensalida fakes the pass, faking everybody and bangs home the 3.
Pinaasa lang. Oh, pinaasa lang niya. Ito.
Yeah. This is the rivalry atmosphere.
Napaganda pa.
This is Manalili at the free throw line. Manalili goes 2 for 2. No problem. Remaining. Dito sa ating first half. Gonzalez will take flight. And he draws the foul.
And if I get a foul, I get a foul. If I don't, then I don't.
Thank you, Boss Bit. At napaunlakan mo kami dito sa NCAA. Of the under-16 team of Slovakia. Maybe scouting some talent here as we see this basket.
Ang pinapakita nitong Letran, ever since pumasok itong si Titing Manalili, ang ganda ng ikot ng bola.
Eugen Andrada. Again, the Red Lions in the quarter play. Gonzalez attacks, but this time he kicked it out to a wide open Eugen Andrada. It's a high-scoring affair at the half. 49-46 in favor of the San Pedro Red Lions. We'll give you the numbers and the story of the first half and performances. Sports PH and NCAA Philippines. San Pedro versus Letran. Second half is underway. Jimboy Estrada snipes is off. Again, the boards belong to the San Pedro Red Lions. John Tinelli splashes in a 3.
Dito magkakaproblema itong Letran.
Pag 48, it's an open look. Eugen ilalapit for a more open look. Jimmy Reyes flashes home a 3 and he is in double. Libre si Eugen, ipinasok, may bantay, mas libre yung Jimmy Reyes.
I mean, alam din naman natin na pag nahulog ang tira ng San Pedro sa
from 3 ball. Yeah. And that's actually one of the highest in the league. That's number 5 as Celso scores underneath. Miller was looking for a foul. Jimboy has it. Estrada against Cordora. 2.5 gone by. Cordora steals it. And here he is. Nakabuelo. Yes. Now let's use this chance.
It's disciplined defense. Ani ni Coach, hindi raw pwede na palitan lang sila ng puntos. The Knights have to take their tempo. Last reminder from Coach, he wants pressure on one-on-one defense and he wants...
This play coming from the San Pedro Red Lions. Oh, John D with a highlight! Wrap around in the lefty lane.
Ilalim ng pero back-to-back John D. Miller baskets with a highlight wrap-around layup.
Jonathan Manalili.
So, wala ka talagang space. Na-force nila ngayon yung turnover.
Jonathan Manalili taking matters into his own hand. Crossover drive and the glide off the window. And then nailing his first triple of the game right here for 16 points.
Okay, the play prior to that, yung kumanan siya with the finish. That's very unusual para sa akin. I mean, nonsense foul.
Yeah. Gonzalez hop off the glass and in.
Yes, and that's what I mean earlier when
Gonzalez Gonzalez with the rock. Stolen by Santos. Ahead for Roque. Watch out, Melo!
Ano? Yung mga offensive rebound na gano'n. Imagine having Kevin Santos popping out after that screen, pero mayroon ka pang isa pa na nag-aantay sa loob.
Good finish from Kevin Santos.
At saka si Santos.
Bismarck Lina.
Ingatan itong si Kevin Santos. Again, maganda yung nilalaro ni Kevin Santos, pero yung fouls ang nagiging problema niya.
Kasi sa mga
Parehas na bench, ano, itong San Beda and itong Letran. Kahit sino ipasok mo, kumbaga parang walang panapon. Lahat sila kayang...
Eto na, si Manalili. Manalili. His dribble broken up. Hit to Deo Cuajo sa ilalim.
that was a good recognition galing dito.
The outside for RC Kalimag. Manalili lobs it up. And Roque completes the alley-oop.
To, slow things down and get a good offense instead of getting that 2-for-1.
Manalili straight to the cup. And for the Letran Knights, 2 seconds. You can! No! And that's all she wrote to even things up. Great finish ahead. Ito po sa rivalry game ng San Beda kontra Letran. Huwag kayong alis.
This is what Letran has been doing the entire third quarter, ano? Nililimit nila yung San Beda sa isang attempt lang.
And Letran,
Energy ng nasa loob and yung celebration.
you can cashes home a three-pointer to give the lead back.
Nila yun.
There's Manalili. Kaboom! A nonchalant three.
Nila nabigyan ng defensive strategy si Titing Manalili. Kaya naman ngayon, balikan na lang natin ang isa pang sinabi ni Coach Andre kanina na dapat daw magpadala. And magpa-right to last.
A big three to extend the lead to 5. 78-73. At ngayon, we'll see. From the report, the instructions were for Titing Manalili.
Challenge dito kay Yuki at sinabihan siya na huwag ka na humel. Kunin mo na lang si Yuki. And in that case, mababawasan ng he-help doon sa... Oo.
Binubuhat niya lahat.
Oo, ganun talaga.
Yan. Yakapin. Pwede niyong sakyan.
Oo, pero nasa sa inyo na yun. Shot went in. Diretsong-diretso.
Miller! Yes! John T with a big three!
Yung kanina kasi if lang daw. Pero yung kay John, nakakasit sa parehas na kuponan.
Yeah. 2-point game. Roque gets the bounce.
Players na hindi basta-basta natuturo kasi experience yan eh. Experience yung mga ganyang klaseng bagay na nakakuha si Jun Roque kanina ng alley-oop play mula kay Manalili and yung mga offensive rebounds niya.
Is he on the line?
I don't know. I mean,
that's incredibly close.
Oo.
The season high for John T. Miller is 29 points. Dito niya ginawa. Is it gonna be reduced down to 28? Okay, sabi nito.
Pero tinanong niya si coach na parang, coach, 2 points lang po pala yun.
So sabi ni Miller,
Kita mo na hinahayaan ng mga referees natin na maramdaman nila yung pakiramdam ng rivalry match.
John T. finishes at the rim. 32 points for Miller. Recycled shot clock for Letran. Manalili, 6 to shoot. Manalili the crossover and the lefty layup is good.
It's the layup niya. Ngayon kung humelp ka, yung teammates niya na na-open, sila naman ang sushoot.
Jonathan Manalili has taken over the game. 25 points, 11 assists for Letrans. They lost it. San Beda needs to go quickly. Miller got it. They're called for a review. Out if this is a 3 or a long 2 for John E. Miller. Sakto yung posisyon ni Coach Allen.
Medyo natakpan yata doon sa angulo natin.
So from this angle, it's unclear. From this one, medyo mas malinaw. Looked like he stepped on the line.
Yan yung pangalawang stepping niya sa 3 points, ano?
That's right.
Is this gonna be a Kevin Durant moment?
Well, they called it a long two. So, it remains a 3-point game.
83 for the Sun River Red Lions and 86 for the Letran Lions.
Time remaining is 9.6 seconds left officially. Letran will burn a timeout. Career numbers for Titing. He misses the pangalawa. No problem.
Enough na yun para maiangat yung energy ng Letran para makuha itong panalo na to.
And that's all she wrote. Letran with a stop. And the Knights complete the win.